Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be showing you the complete and professional method to replace the battery on the Dell Precision M4800. If your laptop battery backup has become extremely low or the system drains power too quickly, then this guide will help you fix the issue step by step. Showing model and identification. To avoid any confusion, let me first show you the laptop itself along with the model number. This way, you can clearly confirm that the tutorial is specifically for the Dell Precision M4800. Entering BIOS and checking battery status. Next, I press the F2 key to enter the BIOS setup. Here in the BIOS, you can see the detailed battery and charger status. The battery health is showing as fair, which indicates the battery is weak and unable to provide proper backup. The charger status is perfectly fine, which means the adapter is not causing any issue. Explaining the issue. So the main problem here is the battery itself. The backup time has dropped to an extremely low level, and in this condition, the only reliable solution is to replace the battery with a new one. Important note about parts. And before we begin the replacement process, let me mention something very important. Always try to use official Dell parts whenever possible. But if the original part is not available, then using a high-quality compatible battery is also acceptable. Battery replacement process. Now, let's move on to the complete battery replacement procedure. Turn off the laptop completely and disconnect the charger. Place the laptop upside down on a clean and stable surface. On the bottom side, you will find the battery latches. Slide the latch to the unlock position. Then slide the release latch and gently pull the battery out. The old battery will come out smoothly. Installing the new battery. Now take your new Dell Precision M4800 compatible battery. Align it carefully with the battery slot and push it in until it clicks into place. Make sure the locking latch moves back to the lock position. The battery should fit securely without any movement. Verification. Turn the laptop back over and press the power button. Once the system boots up, check the battery icon to confirm the laptop is detecting and charging the new battery correctly. Final tips. To maintain good battery health, avoid keeping the laptop plugged in 24/7 and always use a reliable charger. Updating the BIOS and power management drivers can also improve battery performance. Thank you for watching this professional guide on Dell Precision M4800 battery replacement. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next video with another helpful tutorial.